So Central Mindanao, Soxargen. So it's Region 12. Soxargen is an administrative region that Philippines designated as Region 12. It has 4 provinces. It's South Cotabato provinces, Sarangani, Sultan Kudarat, and 2 chartered cities is General Santos City and Cotabato City. So the region was formerly known as Cotabato or Cotawato, meaning Stone Fort, became Central Mindanao and presently named Soxargen, which is acronym for its provinces. The region was also branded as the 12 Paradise of the Philippines. Soxargen encompasses Cotabato City, situated within the borders of Maguindanao Province of Autonomous Region in Mindanao. The region was created by virtue of Presidential Decree July 17, 1975, and named as Central Mindanao. It comprised Maguindanao, North Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Lanao del Sur, and Del Norte. So, the January 21, the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region resulted in the surprise ratification of the Bangsamoro Law. This means Cotabato City may now formally serve as the captain of the region, and office of the current will be retained for use by Bangsamoro Regional Government, and now formally excited to Soxargen region. The region is endowed with rich natural resources, and its served main source of hydroelectric power for Mindanao. Palay and corn are the leading crops of region. The region is also home of quality tuna in the Philippines. The following are the list of the major industries region: coconut industry, coffee, cassava, fruit and vegetable, banana, aquamarine, and processing.